Hi guys, today I am about to fix this thing. It's not working because the cap was loose and somewhere fallen and debris went inside, and when it's rain I think water might got inside, so in that case it's not starting. So let's clean the carburetor, remove everything. So need to remove this all bolts, remove this cover, then deassemble. Okay, now it's removed. So now we got to remove this and remove this thing outside to see what's there inside and clean the stuff like this. Okay, see, it's full of dust. There is two bolts here and here also one bolt. Okay, remove all. The outside bolts are number 8, this one and this one. These are all number 7. That's it. Remove this and keep it side. Remove the fuel tank which is connected here. Yeah. Then after that just unclip the clamp. Okay, the whole thing is coming out slowly, so you need to unclip this line and this line and the fuel hose, so we can remove this outside and clean. Okay, there are two bolts down, which is that also number 7. Just remove this to get inside the carburetor. Okay, the center part, which one? This is the thing you need to remove outside. This hole through the fuel goes inside, and when the air comes inside through this line, so when the air goes inside, so the fuel and the air will mix, so we have to check the hole, it's open or clogged with debris. Use a flathead screwdriver and just give some leverage like this and it will come outside. So this you need to check and clean. Remove the centerpiece and blow. Is there anything is inside all 3 pipes? Blow thoroughly, so the air has to go freely. Okay, now we cleaned, so now we have to put it back, everything in reverse order how we removed. So now it's working. I'm almost success.